Hey everyone, today we're gonna be unboxing the Fifine AM8 dynamic microphone. This was sent to me by Fifine, but as always, all opinions are my own. So let's go ahead and unbox it. First, inside the box is your user's manual. Here's your desktop mic stand, and it uses 3/8 thread. It comes with USB-C to USB-A cable, and it is 6.5 feet long. There's an adapter at the other end, so you can use this for USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A. This makes it versatile if I want to use it with my S25 Ultra. So let's take a look at the connection options on the back of the Fifine AM8. First, you have the USB-C port. Next is your headphone jack for real-time monitoring. And here is your XLR port. This gives you pro-level flexibility for studio audio setups. Let's talk about the physical controls. Right on the front, you've got the tap to mute button. It's touch sensitive, not mechanical, so there's no click noise in your recordings. When the mic is live, the LED ring glows green. Tap it once and it turns red to show you're muted. On the other side of the mic is your headphone volume knob. And right next to it is your main mic gain control knob. So right next to it is the RGB lighting button. Press it to cycle through colors and modes. It even remembers your last setting, so even I unplug and switch devices, it picks up right where I left off. The mic features dual thread compatibility, supporting both 3/8 and 5/8 mounts. That means it will fit most mic stands or boom arms right off the box. The Fifine AM8 comes pre-installed with a foam windscreen. It is not just for looks, it actually makes a noticeable difference. It also comes with a compact desktop mic stand. It is simple, sturdy, and ready to go right off the box. While the included stand is great for quick setups or travel use, I'd recommend upgrading to a boom arm if you want a better mic placement and posture, especially for longer recording sessions or live streams. So just a heads up for this mic, if you're using the AM8 in XLR mode, the mute button and RGB lighting won't work. Those features are only available when connected using USB. So if you need quick mute control, stick with USB or use a mixer with mute toggles. Now let's go ahead and do a quick tap to mute test. This is tap to mute test. This is tap. This is tap to mute test. This is tap to mute test. This is the Fifine AM8 with all processing disabled, flat EQ, no gate, no compression. I'm recording from our apartment with ambient sounds in the background. What you hear is the mic's natural tone. This is the Fifine AM8 without the windscreen, processing disabled, flat EQ, no gate, no compression. I'm recording from our apartment with the ambient sounds in the background. What you hear is the mic's natural tone. This is a raw mic test using the Fifine AM8. No EQ, no compression, no noise gate, just the natural sound of the mic. I'm speaking from about 6 inches away in the typical indoor setting. You may hear some ambient room noise. I'm not using any filters or post-processing. This is exactly how the mic sounds straight out of the box. Let me know how it handles clarity, background rejection, and overall tone. This is a mic test using the Fifine AM8 with standard EQ, noise gate, and compression applied through the Go XLR Mini. I'm speaking from about 6 inches away in a typical indoor setup. Let me know how this sounds for everyday use, whether it's gaming, streaming, or casual voice chat. This is the Fifine AM8 with podcast style Go XLR Mini settings, EQ for warmth, compression for consistency, and a noise gate tuned for apartment life. Let me know how this sounds for long-term content. This is the Fifine AM8 with gaming tuned Go XLR Mini, EQ for vocal sharpness, compression for control, and a noise gate to block apartment noise. Let me know how it sounds in game or on stream. as I am typing in my keyboard. How does it sound? Testing the EQ curve for the Fifine AM8. Low end trimmed, mids neutral, highs boosted slightly for clarity. Let me know how this sounds in our apartment setup. This is the Fifine AM8 with tweaked Go XLR mini settings, EQ and gate tuned to reduce keyboard noise while gaming. Let me know if the clicks are gone and the voice still sounds clean. I also tested the mic in my S25 Ultra and this is how it sounds like. This is the Fifine AM8 microphone connected directly to my Samsung S25 Ultra. There's no third-party app, just plug and play. It was instantly recognized. Right now I'm recording from our apartment while the dishwasher is running in the background. Let me know what the audio sounds like to you. I also tested the AM8 to the DJI Pocket 3 and this is how it sounds like. This is a mic test using the Fifine AM8 connected directly to DJI Pocket 3. I'm recording in a typical indoor setting with no EQ, no compression, and no noise gate, just the raw audio captured through the camera. I'm speaking from 6 inches away, and this setup is completely mobile, perfect for creators who want clean audio while filming on the go. Let me know how the mic handles clarity, background noise, and overall tone in this mobile configuration. So in my testing, USB mode is perfect for quick content creation and mobile use, while XLR mode gives you that studio grade polish for podcasts, voiceovers, or live streams with more control. So let's talk about what I like and I don't like about this mic. First off, I really like the dual connectivity. Having both USB and XLR options makes this mic super versatile. I can plug it straight into my laptop for quick recordings or run it through my Go XLR Mini for more control. The sound quality is impressive for the price, it's clear and balanced. I tried and used it for gaming while streaming and it doesn't exaggerate my voice. I also appreciate the physical controls. Having a mic gain knob, headphone volume, and tap to mute right on the mic is a big plus. And the RGB lighting, it's subtle but adds a nice look in my game live stream. The included USB cable with a slide-on USB-C adapter is smart. I can switch between my S25 Ultra and desktop without digging for extra cables. So, what I don't like about this mic is the mute button that only works in USB mode, which is a bit limiting if you're using XLR. It would have been nice to have that functionality across both connections. In addition to that, while the mic does a decent job rejecting off-axis noise, it still picks up keyboard clicks unless you dial in your gate settings carefully. Overall, the Fifine AM8 is a solid entry-level mic that offers more for its price point. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or recording voiceovers, it delivers clean, reliable audio with just enough flexibility to fit into different workflows. The dual USB XLR setup makes it beginner-friendly while still offering room to grow. You can start with USB for plug-and-play simplicity, then move into XLR when you're ready to upgrade your gear. While this won't replace my Blue Sona as my main mic, the Fifine AM8 has definitely earned a permanent spot on my streaming PC. It's not a top-tier studio mic, but for creators looking for a solid sound without breaking the bank, it's a strong contender. I'm honestly surprised by how good my voice sounds through this mic. It's not far off from other dynamic mics that cost a lot more. It's a clear win for gamers, streamers, and anyone building their setup on a budget. If you want to check this AM8 mic, I will leave a link in the description below. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.